So modern camera technology has really helped us to shoot more images very quickly. But is that always a good idea? The world is really fast-paced, and photography is no different. We all get into the zone with our cameras sometimes, and we just keep moving and shooting and moving and shooting. It never ends. But today's tip will help you become a better photographer. It's simply to slow down. When you're moving so fast, you can't really concentrate on what you're doing. And if you're just starting out, it's nearly impossible to analyze your mistakes and correct them if you don't take the time to figure it all out. So I've got a few ways you can learn to slow down. The first thing is to look at the entire image in the viewfinder. I mean, really look before you take the picture. Don't just be distracted by your subject, but also examine the background and look at all four edges of the frame. Maybe you should move a little bit to just get something in or out of your pictures. Sometimes it's just a matter of inches. Now, once your frame is set, then go to manual everything. Start with full manual exposure. The only way to master it is to force yourself to do it. Pretend there are no auto modes on your camera. For each scene, stand there as long as you have to until you get your exposure just right. Once your exposure is locked in, then go to manual focus. Yes, switch off that fancy autofocus and turn the dial until your image is tack sharp. This one's going to take some getting used to, but it really forces you to concentrate and look at your images in a whole new way. Look, the overall idea here is to shoot with purpose. By slowing down and making deliberate choices, it forces you to analyze the scene and really think about what you're doing. In today's world, that can only be a good thing. Hey, listen, while you're here, go ahead and subscribe to the Adorama TV YouTube channel. You can also follow me on social media @David Bergman, and I'll see you back here next week.